In this video, you will learn how to edit the Beaver Builder theme's default footer text. When you install the Beaver Builder theme, the footer shows a single centered column with the copyright symbol and year, your site title, and the text powered by Beaver Builder with a link that looks like this. To edit the footer, click on Customize in the top navigation. Or from your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and click on Customize. This will open up the Beaver Builder theme customizer. Go ahead and click on Footer. Next, click on Footer Layout. Note that even if you delete the text here, it will still appear on your site. This is because the footer content actually comes from the copyright.php file. But don't worry, there's an easy way to change this default footer text without touching a line of code. Let's head back over to the Customizer, Footer Layout tab, and I will show you how. Here you can choose None for the layout option to completely remove the footer from your entire site. Or you can choose to configure your own footer layout and content. The Beaver Builder theme's footer supports up to 2 columns. Either column can contain text, social icons, both text and social icons, or a WordPress menu. For more information on how to customize the footer layout in the customizer, I will link up to an article in the description below this video. If you would like to have total control and completely customize your website's footer using Beaver Builder, check out the next video on how to create a custom WordPress footer. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, if you found this video useful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.